Good morning children. Today we are going to see three-dimensional shapes. Before seeing 3D shapes, let's see what are plane figures. A circle, a rectangle and a square represents the plane figures. These figures have only two dimensions, that is length and breadth. 3D shapes, a cylinder, a cuboid and a cube have their third dimension, namely height along with the length and breadth. Let's take the shape cube. Here we are having this length, breadth and also its height. So we call the cube as a 3D shapes. That is the shapes which have three dimensions, namely length, breadth and height are called three-dimensional shapes, or we simply call it as 3D shapes. Let's see some examples of 3D shapes. Cube, cuboid, prism, triangular pyramid, square pyramid, cylinder, cone and sphere are examples of 3D shapes. The next one is faces, edges and vertices. For finding the faces of a 3D shapes, let's take a shape cube. The cube has a 6 squared plane figures, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. These planes are called as the faces of the cube. The cube has 6 faces. The next one is the edge. The edge is nothing but when two faces are meet at a line segment, then we call this line segment as the edges of the cube. Suppose if we take the face 1 and 2, these two faces meet at this line segment, then we call this line segment as edge of the cube. Similarly, this cube has 12 edges. The next one is a vertex. Vertex is nothing but the meeting point of 3 edges. If we take the edges, 3 edges like 1, 2 and 3, these 3 edges meet at a point. We call this point as the vertex of a cube. For cube, we are having 8 vertices. Next have the topic Euler's formula. For Euler's formula is faces plus vertices minus edges is equal to 2. That is, for any polyhedron, the relation is true. If we add the faces and vertices and you subtract the edges, we will get the answer as true. This relation we called it as the Euler's formula. The next topic is nets of 3D shapes. The nets of a 3D shape is what it looks like if it is opened out flat. If you open the 3D shapes, we can able to see the net of that shape. Here are some of the 3D shapes and their nets. That is, first one is a cube and the cube of the net. Then the cuboid with its net, prism, triangular pyramid, square pyramid and cylinder with its net. The next topic is 3D shapes in different views. 3D shapes may look different from different positions. The view of the 3D shape is what you see while observing in different position. Some of the views are front view, top view and side view. Let's take this figure. If you see from the front, it looks like we can able to see only the 3 squares. If you see from the top of it, we can able to see only 2 squares. And if you see it from the sideways, we can able to see only 2 squares vertically. The top view, we can able to see the 2 squares horizontally, but in the side view, we are able to see the 2 squares vertically. Thank you.